If you are seeing this issue in Microsoft Office, don't worry. In this video, we will see how to fix Microsoft Word. First of all, open this PC. Then, click on Windows Disk and click on Program Files. Here, now we will find Microsoft Office. Click on it. Now, here Office 14 is showing because I am Office 14, but your option can be different from here. Call it. And then, here the important part is we will click on this application. A lot of applications are available, but other applications are not applications because they are extensions. We will click on this application and this logo. Right-click on it and click on Run as Administrator. Then, click on Yes and do this for 2 to 3 times. Your problem will be solved. That was the way to fix Microsoft error. If you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.